It remembers.
I gotta admit, we really did pull together as a team.
A blizzard? Quite an unforeseen development, I'd say. Indeed.
Shall we cancel school?
She's making the call!
Don't bother with the snow day. It's phony baloney. Hope those girls enjoyed the tension after their test.
What are they doing? You guys, I'm trying to see. What have we been doing for the past 2 hours? All part of the plan. What better way to study than a hands-on project? Oh, I get it. This test relates to our snow day, which means potatoes get mashed, then evaporate into potato moisture where they converge into potato clouds. And when those clouds can't hold the weight, that's where the potato flakes come from. Or is it potato chips?